Welcome to Ginger's Hawaii. Today we are going to feed our cat. It's right on baby Ginger's, but usually in the video she's called LJ.
And who is this?
I think Coco, and I am Ginger. Of course you know it.
Remember to subscribe to our channel and comment below if it's nice or not.
And that corridor.
Let's start. So what are we going to do today?
We are going to feed this cat.
We're gonna
Hello, I'm Tom.
the little cat. And
I don't know where she's going, but here's your food.
here is the ingredients for my lunch.
And here is the pudding for dessert.
Pudding!
A golden dessert.
Yay! Can you cook my food for me now, Ginger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you pass the green card for me, please?
Okay. Which green card? There's two.
The with the dark green. Yes, give me
Okay.
that.
Let's start. Oh.
The ginger is very variable.
Mm-hmm. Ow! Oh no, I fell down. I'm sorry. Where should I sit? Here. Who is the waiter? I want to be the chef.
I'm the chef.
I'm the chef.
Hey.
I'm the chef.
Okay, where should I sit?
Here.
I'm gonna sit here to see the video, to see what's happening.
No.
What's up?
Turn it
That's
on.
not salt
Oh,
Yeah.
plus pepper.
so first of all, what are we going to make?
Fried corn.
Hey, I haven't taken my order yet. Why did you start cooking without?
Do you want fried corn, right?
Oh yeah. Anyways, I will want one fried corn, one chocolate milk, extra cold, and some cat food will be nice. Which most probably I do not want car food. You understand?
Understand.
Good. You better make it good or else I'm going to eat you.
Okay. Hey, want to try a new menu item?
What is your new
This
menu
is not
item?
a real card. This is a French fry and it's the shape of a card.
It's a potato that's shaped in a card.
Well, I want my cat food, chocolate milk, and my fried card. That's the only thing I want.
Okay.
Now you better give it to me or else I'm gonna put a complaint.
Here.
I am
fried
angry. Ooh! I would like a fork and spoon, please.
Okay, where's the fucking spoon?
Just use this piece. Here.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Are you sure this is cooked?
Yes.
Yeah.
Phew. I'm going to use my hands.
You want the way I asked for it.
To look much more nicer. Now look at me eating. Nom 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 nom. Oh, I accidentally spilled it. Well, who cares? No 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 no. My food!
You are a silly cat.
How dare you call me a silly cat? I want my order again. Where's my chocolate milk? Where's my cat food? And I need a new order of my fried card.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Wait.
Excuse me, you are the waiter. You should come to my place and give me my food.
Okay.
Not I take my food. Huh. Ah! You spilled my chocolate milk! Excuse Excuse me? I'm going to put a complaint. And you there, chef, where's my cat food?
Wait.
Oi, you want to say oi? Excuse? Faint.
Yay! That was not my own.
Be quick, I'm very hungry. What is this?
Cat food?
Are you sure?
Yes.
What are you? Are you sure it's not any other thing else?
Yes, just eat it.
Still.
Yeah, you can.
I swear, if he gives me poop, nom 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 nom. It's poop! It's poop! You're so mean! I'm gonna put a complaint. Oi, 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 oi! What you doing to me? Ah!
Now you're the chef.
Ah! Hey! 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 How dare you try to put me in the oven?
Young cook.
I am putting a complaint in this restaurant. Or else I'm gonna put a complaint to your manager. I want food.
My manager asked us to do it.
Oh, your manager is dumb.
That's
Now I want my food.
Nah.
What is this?
It's
Here is pudding.
My pudding. Wait, what?
Pudding.
There's nothing in it.
No, this is a pudding.
Nom 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 nom. At least the pudding is good.
Want to try our ghost pepper fried chicken?
You want to try my mighty cat slap?
Put some water on that.
I want my food.
Put some salt.
Waiter.
Okay, now I want the new order. I want my cat. I still want my cat food. I want my cat milk, and I also want my cat pudding. And
You just ate your cat pudding.
well, one more.
Okay.
And then
Fried car.
no, I want
Ghost
that.
pepper fried chicken.
Yes, ghost pepper fried car chicken
Okay.
with extra chicken and extra spiciness. Understood?
Our ghost pepper is quite spicy.
Your ghost what?
My
Did you just say ghost pepper?
Ghost pepper is very, very spicy.
Well, I don't care. I want my milk to have extra ice so I won't burn my tongue.
Oh.
Understood?
Okay, I'll put a big. I'll ask my waiter to go to Arctic and then get a big bag of ice.
And if you don't, I'm gonna kill you.
Arctic.
Who?
Waiter, go to the Arctic and get some ice.
Okay.
Ask the snow monster about that. It's nice, so don't be scared.
I am still waiting on my food. How long are you guys gonna take? Huh? 1 hour or 2? 1 day? 1 week? Huh?
A billion days.
And I'm gonna give you now money.
Wait. We're about to finish with your car. We just need to prepare all of your food and items, of course.
Well, you better be fast. I'm hungry. I'm a hungry cat. I'm gonna be angry as well.
Come on, put some ice in it.
Okay, ice.
And put the whole ice. Your chicken is here. Careful, that's ice.
You
That is delicious. I love this. Now, where's my other food? This is mine.
Yes, it's ghost pepper.
And where's my cat food?
Well, it's
Here.
Grilling. It's grilling. We have to reheat it.
Oh, that smells so strong. I feel like something. Oh, that's really spicy smell. Let's try it. My pudding and stuff is here. Whoa! Ah, it's spicy! Go, 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 go. It's spicy!
I told you had to listen to us. You
That is delicious! It's spicy! Delicious! Oh my god!
Want some more?
Yes!
Oh my goodness!
Delicious!
Yeah,
Your
it is
food
like
is
cat
delicious!
Yeah, it is
Now
like cat
let's
food.
try our cat food. Mamma mia! This is so delicious!
Why don't you try our chicken pizza?
Do you want to
Nah.
do you try the pudding?
My pudding! Delicious!
Yeah, feeding service.
Want
This
to
is
try
so
some more-
delicious.
Want to try some more Carl? Since you like it so much?
I am very full. Did you just fart?
Yes.
Eat this ghost pepper! Eat the ghost pepper! Let me grill it. Oh.
So
that's
it's
all?
the end. So see you soon. That was the best birthday ever.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay. Thank you so much for watching.
Subscribe!
Okay.